our flaws to care about. We were both young and sure. No, we're not, no, we're not. What did I say you should worry about? You should worry about all of me. What did I say you should care about? You should care about what you see. We went like that for years, with a straight path to walk upon. We could win every time. No, we won't, no, we won't. What did I say you should worry about? You should worry about all of me. What did I say you should care about? You should care about what you see.
I just wanted to show you guys what the fridge looks like when I use these Norwex cloths. I'm obsessed with these. I don't sell them or anything, but my aunt had a party at one point and I got some and I fell in love with them. So I used the EnviroCloth first, and then the window cloth makes it so shiny. This is really hard to do with one hand. But it gets like condensation kind of in the fridge, and this like helps that to go away. It makes it look all shiny and brand new. It's such a difference. All right, so we just got back from Walmart. Wow, Lexi.
Sorry.
Can you stop? We got hash browns. This is something that I forgot last week, so Blake's like, get 3 weeks worth of hash browns. So I did. Got some coleslaw for shrimp tacos. Where'd the other one go? I thought I got 2 of these. So I got this pepper jack cheese. We got gluten-free fish sticks and then regular fish sticks. And then we got some Parmesan cheese. That's a staple in our house. Got a couple different kinds of breadcrumbs because I was running low. And then we got some cottage cheese. That was Blake's request. Sour cream, another staple. We got some Ready Whip, which is also a staple in this house. Got some gluten-free animal crackers. Got a couple things of shrimp for shrimp tacos. We got some more lettuce. I got another kind of coleslaw because I think I want to use this one on the shrimp tacos actually. because this one has like all sorts of different stuff in it, but I like coleslaw, so I got both. And then we got some vanilla ice cream. We like to make shakes, milkshakes with almond milk and ice cream. And then we got some turkey sausage. This is one of my favorite things of meat to get. Then we got some French fries. I feel like that's a staple in our house. And then we got a big giant bag of cheese because we like cheese in this house. It is a staple, really. Chicken, another thing that we eat a lot of. So I got a couple different kinds. I got the tenderloins, just regular chicken breast, and some more chicken breast. This was supposed to be tenderloins, but they substituted it. Bacon, we eat a lot of bacon too. Got some coleslaw dressing. Normally I just make my own, but I decided to be lazy, so. Got some graham crackers because I thought s'more sounded good. I don't know, so I seen that somebody posted on Instagram or something. Got some peanut M&Ms. We got some Hershey's chocolate for s'mores. And then we got a giant thing of Reese's. Honestly, I didn't know this was gonna be this big of them, but I ain't complaining. And then we got some dark chocolate. This is something that we like to have on hand. I am somebody who likes to grab a little tiny piece of chocolate instead of going crazy on, you know, something maybe a little worse. And then we ordered blue Kool-Aid, but they gave us this pink lemonade kind. So there's that. And then we got a few more things over here. Oh, here's the other thing of cheese. And then we got these marshmallows. Somebody else posted on Instagram about this. It might have been the same person. And it just sounded amazing, so we got that. Got a spaghetti and an angel hair. We're gonna do spaghetti, and then we do, sorry, I didn't mean to flip you off. What's it called? Lemon chicken, and we do it with angel hair pasta, and we do like a butter pasta with that. And then, ooh, this didn't get broken. My other thing of vegetables busted open, so I had to throw it away. It was broccoli and cauliflower. So this one has like a sauce on it, so I'll probably just eat that for lunch one day. And then we got some cookies. Blake's obsessed with these chewy kind. And then I had some gluten-free ones of these, so I decided to get them just like the normal kind because I'm nice like that. We got some chocolate almond milk. We were supposed to have regular almond milk, but somehow we missed that, so I better make sure I got my money back for that. Got some gluten-free pasta. I want to do tuna casserole, and the kids don't really care if it's gluten-free. They don't know the difference, so we'll just make it all with gluten-free. Then I got these little snack. I'm trying to be good. I'm just trying to be healthier, and I like that they're individually packed because then I won't overeat. So yeah, did that. Then we got some jambalaya. This is something that we have every week or every couple weeks usually, so I just got 4 boxes of that. When we have the boys here, we definitely eat the 2 boxes, but we'll probably have leftovers since they're not here this week. Then Blake requested stovetop stuffing, so got that for him to do with a meal one night. Got Gushers, just because. And then these are for the babies. They have those a lot. Then we got some gluten-free bunny grahams because I can't have regular graham crackers, so I just got myself something. I don't like to feel completely left out when my family has treats all the time. So, oh, and then we got apples and lemons. I stuck them here in the sink so that we can wash them off. Got a bag of, I think it was just Gala apples, and then a bag of lemons, and I think that's it, guys. So that was my Walmart grocery haul. I showed you the whole process of me cleaning out the fridge, and Lexi cleaned out the pantry too. We didn't include that part, but she's my little assistant when it comes to everything in life. But yeah, that was our grocery haul and the process. Should I show the meal plan? I don't know. I feel like I should. You guys want to see it, don't you? Okay, so Monday's dinner, I don't know if you can even see it. We did creamy chicken and stuffing, and then we did shrimp tacos on Tuesday. Wednesday we did spaghetti, and I put down jambalaya, but we ended up having shrimp tacos again because my family loves shrimp tacos. And then Friday we ordered pizza. Saturday, which is today, we're doing burgers. And then tomorrow we're doing lemon chicken and angel hair pasta.